Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tapers and Fades. First off, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and those who subscribe, just want to say thank you very much. It's much appreciated. So today we're going to be doing a mid-bald fade, and we're going to be cleaning up his ponytail just around the edges a little bit. So first off, we're going to be making our first guideline, and since his tail is so big, we're not even fading the back of his head. So right here we're just kind of cleaning up the edges, kind of rounding it off a little bit better. Then after we make our first guideline, our first bald guideline, we're gonna make our second guideline with our no guard with the lever down. And then after that, we're gonna put on the number 1 clip and blend up and go from a 1 clip to a 1.5 clip, and just go straight up with the blend. And what I'm doing here is going back down with the half clip, just kind of cleaning it up a little bit, taking it back down to the no guard with the lever all the way up. And what I like to do is just flick the line away and just kind of flick it away very lightly. And as soon as you start off that blend, then you can adjust your lever and bring it down a little bit, and then continue with the blend. And then from there you can go from half clip to a 1 to a 1.5 clip. So right here I'm just cleaning up the other side of the tail, just underneath it, just kind of rounding it off a little bit. And also, when cleaning up little kids, I like to clean up their cheeks and their jaw, their side of their jaw. Kind of just clean up that little peach fuzz they have on there. And you know, some kids are hairy. Some kids have some hairy cheeks. So on this side, I do the same thing. I make a second guideline with the no guard with the lever down. Then I use a number 1 clip to a 1.5 clip, and then what I'm doing now is flicking away the line with the 0 guard with the lever all the way up, and then I'm adjusting the lever, bringing it down a little bit, just giving it that good blend. So right here, as you can see, there was a little bit of hair hanging over on the left side, so I went up with the 1 guard with the lever down to a 2 clip with the lever all the way up, and just kind of squared off those edges a little bit, just kind of getting it ready for clipper over comb. And when doing clipper over comb, you really want to take a look at the head, both sides, and just kind of see. It's really up to you to kind of eyeball it. You want to kind of round off those edges. You kind of eyeball it, and you go as you see it. And you really want to kind of just keep looking at it on both sides, make sure both sides are exactly identical. Right here, I apologize, my camera always turns off as soon as I turn it on. about 5 minutes into it all the time, and it always catches me off guard, and I always gotta go back to it and hit the record button again. I actually missed out on the footage of me lining him up, but I apologize. So right here, I'm just balding him up using the Andes T-liner, and right here I'm using the wall shaver, just finishing up the blend, making this face pop. So right here, just putting a little hairspray in his hair, just combing it. On all my haircuts, I always like to comb it just to kind of give it that final brush. I like to kind of see what I need to get, what little touch-ups I need to do. Sometimes the edges need a little touch-ups, the corners, sometimes little hairs hanging over the edge. I just kind of like to see what it's gonna look like when they comb it. That way, I could touch it up if I need to. So that's pretty much it for the haircut. I'm just kind of doing little touch-ups here and there. I'm kind of touching up the edges, kind of fixing up the line a little bit in the front, make sure it's nice and straight. Say thank you guys again for watching. If you guys like my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you guys see something that I could have done and I could have made the haircut better, just leave it under the comments. Let me know. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching again. And right here, I'm just going back to a couple little spots that I seen, a couple little dark spots that I was working on. One on this side, I think there was one on the other side. And I think that's pretty much it. And like I said before, if you guys liked the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you guys like my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I hope to see you guys in my next videos.